On this video we're going to show you how to turn a manky looking wheel like this into a stunning looking wheel like this. We'll show you exactly how to do it and tell you exactly how much it costs. So stay tuned.
Okay, so the first stage is to use an 80 grit sandpaper to remove all the old paint and car brush off the face of your wheel.
Now that you've used your 80 grit sandpaper to take off all the paint, you've got rid of all your curb brush, what we'll do now is we'll do the inside bits with a lower grade, about a 240, you're using a 240?
320.
320 sandpaper, just to key up the surface. We're quite lucky, there's no flaking paint, but we'll key it up, ready for the black paint.
Okay, so the third step is to go over the wheels with a bit of panel wipe, and then we can give them the first coat of black. And remember, the first coat is always a mist coat, so just a light mist and a black, that way the next coats have something to stick to.
Right, that's these had some time to dry up. What we're going to do now, I'm going to turn down the speed on the sander. I'm going to use a 240 grit sandpaper, and I'm gently going to take the fresh paint off the face of the wheels, really carefully, without touching any other bits, and then we can lacquer them.
Okay, so we cleaned the wheels with some panel wipe, and the next stage is to lacquer them.
These are looking awesome with a coat of lacquer on them. So, while they're drying, let's have a quick look at what we used and how much it cost to transform the wheels into this. Right guys, the paint we used is $1.99 a can from Home Bargains. 2 cans of matte black, 2 cans of lacquer, so £8. The sanding discs, these are available in a multi-pack off of eBay for a £5, and if you've not already got one, the dual action sander is £25 out of Screwfix Direct. So if you want to do this yourself and you needed to buy all of it, you're looking at £40 to refurbish a full set of wheels the way we've done it.
So I bet you're all wondering what happened to the other fourth wheel. Well, to see how this all started, just click right up here.